Well, this is the third day we've had a siren. Air raid alert. You can hear it right now. Over the traffic, I think. I got the alert on my phone first. Please pray for this city, for safety, for peace, that I'll be able to continue to do my work, that everyone will be okay. Especially the mothers and children at the children's hospital over here. You can see the edge of it there. I don't know if you can hear me over the wind, but here's that alarm again. Third day in a row. That's out towards the hills there. I'm on the edge of the city.